Hey guys, welcome back to Coffee with the Crazy Wig Lady. It has been too long since we've been together. Today I got up and I decided this is the day. I need to just go and have a coffee chat with my friends on YouTube. So today, very quickly, this is not going to be a long video. I don't want to bore you to death, but we're going to look at some wigs, we're going to look at some makeup, and then I have a gift box I want to show you. So this is going to be fun. Grab your coffee and let's get started. All right, let's start out with the wig I have on. This is from Tonya Beverly, and all the wigs I'm going to show you today are from Wig Studio One. I either bought them or they were provided to me for previous review. All the makeup I'm going to show you, I purchased with my own funds, but the gift box I'm going to show you was sent to me to show you for review. So I'm excited to get into that in a few minutes. But this is Tonya Beverly. This one is called Hunter, and the color is Rooted Sandstone. I fell in love with this wig. I like Tonya Beverly. I think their fibers are beautiful. This has a lace front. I did a review of this on the Wig Studio One YouTube channel if you want to see a full review. A longer style. This has the most gorgeous cap. I was so impressed with the cap of this wig. It's hand tied. It has polyurethane at the temples here and at the back. Absolutely beautiful. Again, the full review is over on the Wig Studio One YouTube channel. But that's the first wig. So let's look at some makeup now. I have a lot of makeup I want to go through really quickly. Now, you know, last time I think we had Coffee with the Crazy Wig Lady, I talked about this palette, the MAC. Let's see, Connect in Color eyeshadow palette, Unfiltered Nudes. I have had this now for quite a while. As you're going to see, it's well loved. But I just want you to, again, see how pretty this is. One of the most, I feel like the colors in here are so, they're very neutral, of course, but they're so wearable. For my skin tone, they're perfect. I can't get enough of this palette. I just want to make sure that you remember this one, and if you're thinking about buying a palette, keep that in mind. I think it's worth the money, and I think because all of these colors are so wearable, and I like that it has some frosted shades as well as some mattes in here. Really, I can't say enough about that. That is a beautiful, beautiful palette. I get so many questions about what eyelashes do I wear. And y'all, you know, eyelashes can be expensive, right? I have found that false eyelashes can really get expensive. I'm not into that. You know, I don't want to spend a lot of money on something I'm going to throw away. Now, I know some of them are reusable over and over and over again. And I do wear these more than once, but I just love these Ardell Wispies. I get them on Amazon. They're 6 pair to a box. I can't say enough about them. They are perfect for me. I put them on. I can put these on in seriously 30 seconds. They're on my eyes. I wear them for all my filming because I have no eyelashes. As you know, I'm a breast cancer survivor, and when I lost my brows and my eyelashes, I hardly had any in the beginning, beforehand. Then after chemo, they just came back so light, even lighter than they were before. So I really basically have no eyelashes. So for my filming, I just like to throw on some lashes, and I like these. They're inexpensive. You can wear them 3 or 4 times and then throw them away. They're just, I think, great. Now my eyebrows, you know, I had my eyebrows microbladed. If you have watched me on Instagram and followed along there, I've showed you my journey along there. The absolute best thing by far I have ever done for myself. I love them. I had them done in Dallas, the Brow Project over there. Just lovely people. Nicole, what an artist. You know, she made me feel, you walk in, you feel right at home. She just is a beautiful person, and she took her time with me, explained to me what she was going to do. I didn't want something too stark. You know, she just knows what works for your face. And I cannot tell you what a wonderful experience that was for me. I've been back twice now to have mine. You know, you go one time and then you wait a while, let them heal, and you go back, and she filled them in again. And it's just such a treat to get up in the morning and actually have eyebrows. So I would absolutely do it again. The best thing, like I said, I've done for myself in a very long time. All right, so we've talked about lashes. We talked about the MAC palette. I was recently in Dallas. I wanted to get this by Mario. I saw this palette that was out. Let's see, this one's called Ethereal Eyes eyeshadow palette, and I wanted to get it. So I was in Dallas and I ran to Sephora and I picked it up, and I really like it. It has, again, some really nice shades. I like the glitter shades. There is some fallout in here. Not a huge amount, but just heads up, there is some fallout on this palette. But this is a nice palette. But they were having a little event. They had like one of their representatives in the store. And if you bought that palette, they gave you this Master Eye Prep and set. This is in the color light. And I like this as well. Put this on beforehand like an eyeshadow primer. I like that. I think it's nice. Let me show you again. But, I mean, this was free when I bought this palette. I don't know how much this is normally, but I have to tell you, I still think my Milani, my little inexpensive Milani eyeshadow primer, I would not trade this for this. I just wouldn't. This is fine. It's nice. This is where it's at. This is what I pick up and choose to wear. All right, now, my friends over at Hellogiftsdesigns sent me this box. I cannot wait to show it to you. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, I had purchased from them their Halloween box, and it was called a Boo box. It was so adorable. This is the Christmas box. It's called a Jingle box. But like I said, they sent me this one. Look how adorable first. This comes like this. I mean, you don't even have to wrap it. It has this ribbon. You can just put this under someone's tree. I just can't tell you how cute I think this idea is. And let me show you what comes in this box. All right, so first of all, you get 4 of these little plastic stackable cups, which I love and have a ton of these. I drink my wine out of these, but we don't have to talk about that. These say Mary. And I think they are perfect for gifts for your neighbors, for your friends, to have for yourself, to have for the kids. I mean, they're plastic, they stack easily in your cabinets. Yes, yes, and yes. I love that. So you get 4 of those. You get 2 holiday tea towels. Now they asked me which ones I wanted, and I wanted these peach colored. However, they differ, they vary from box to box. So I think they're going to be different. But as they sent this to me, they asked me which one did I want. This is what I chose. So you'll get 2 holiday tea towels. I love this because it has these stars on it. This is gonna be so, so cute. So I got those. Then you get a choice of this next 2. You can either have this cottage, this ceramic cottage, which is so nice and weighty. One thing I want to tell you about this, when these things I've gotten from them are so high quality. I was so surprised. I loved it. I think they just do a beautiful job. So you could either get the cottage, you can put one of those little lights in there, Christmas light in there, and light that up. Would be adorable. Or, this makes me very happy. I'm very excited about it. Or you can get this adorable ceramic Christmas tree. As you can see, I have my own little forest there. I'm all about the ceramic Christmas trees. Love them. Have them in every room of my house. I love these little Christmas trees. So this one lights up. It's so cute. But you could get a choice of these 2. So I'm going to leave the link to their store in the drop down box below this video. Be sure to go down there, and I'll leave a link. So thank you so much for sending this to me. I just can't tell you, this is the nicest box too. It's heavy and well done. Way to go. Good job. All right, so let's talk about, all right, let's do another wig. Why not, right? All right, so let's slip on, this is Ellen Villa Sound Mono, and this color is Tobacco Rooted. Like this wig, I want to show it to you. I think I have a video on my channel already. If not, it's on the Wig Studio 1 channel, one or the other. I think I have this on my channel, I'm pretty sure. If I do, I'll link it below. But look how cute this wig is. I love these waves. I like this color. Easy to wear. Now, this wig, I'm gonna tell you, this is the one I feel like, and I'm always honest with you about what I like and what I don't like. What I like about this wig is it's a good fit. I like the curls. I like the wave pattern on this. What I am not crazy about on this wig is where it has the mini lace front. Now, you know, I have told you before, mini lace fronts, I can live with them or live without them. Not my favorite feature. This has the mini lace front, and it has a line, it has a hard transition between the cap and the mini lace front. So, you know, you can wear this like this, you don't see that at all. However, I like to bring it to your attention because I just like to, you know, you need to know before you purchase a wig if that's a deal breaker for you or not. So I just like to call it to your attention. But otherwise, other than that, I think this is an adorable style. Just wanted to tell you about that. And I like this Tobacco Rooted. I think it's pretty. Okay, let's move along to some more makeup real quick. Now, another palette that I really like, Natasha Denona, I Need a Nude palette. I don't know, I know I've showed it to you before, and mine is well loved and very dirty, so don't judge me. But I use it. I guess that's gonna show you that I really use this palette. You know, I love the Natasha Denona Glam palette. I love it. I feel like this is a little more daytime than that. And I think I reached for this for just a daytime look more, but this is a nice nude palette if you are in the market for one. I just think Natasha Denona makes such nice products. They're easy to use, they wear well, there's not a lot of fallout. I just think it's good. Mascara, I cannot get enough. Still using Hourglass Unlocked. Hadn't found anything I really like better. And I try a lot of, but it has a nice wand, as you can see, and it's a nice formula. I like it, and you know, like I said, I don't have much lashes, so I need a good mascara. I like that one. Now, I also picked up, and I think this is their holiday Hourglass, and this one is, you know, their ambient lighting powder. This one is, let me show you the outside of that one. So cute. Now, it has these different, it has bronzers, blush. Let me cover that mirror up so I don't blind you to death there. Look at these bronzer and the blush on here. So pretty. Highlight, and the powder. I like these ambient lighting. I had some individual ones. I think I had one that had 3, and I liked it very much. And when this came out, and they have 3 or 4 different ones, but like I said, this is the one I got. And I bought my daughter one of these too. Not this same one, she chose another one, but they have several different ones. But I just thought for my skin tone, this worked very well. I've been using that, I like it. All right, I'm gonna show you a blush. And when I show it to you, you're gonna go, oh no, because I did at first. I said, oh my gosh, no way could I ever wear that. Well, I had to eat my words because I have fallen in love. I like the Haas Labs. I like their foundation. I have a blush. I have 2 blushes. I have a bronzer, and I have found I have super dry skin, and this works well with that. Now this is called Fuse Blush Dragon Fruit Days. Are you ready? Okay. I'm gonna show you this. I know, look. Wow, right? When I first saw that, I just thought, oh, I love it. I have it on. I think it's beautiful. It does, you know, you see that and you think that is way too much. It's not. You use it sparingly, of course. It goes on so pretty. Cannot tell you. This is worth the money. And they have several beautiful, beautiful colors. All right, let's do one more wig. And we'll call it a day. Sorry I've kept y'all so long. I know I get chatty, but I don't feel like we see each other that much, right? So we have a lot to cover. This is Aesthetica Designs Jameson, which you know I love, but this is one of their new colors, the Mandarin Rooted. Wow, is this pretty. Now, you know, I love my reds. They came out with some different reds. I'm sure you've seen everybody talking about them. 3 reds, I believe. This is the only one I have tried. I haven't tried the others, but I want to. I want to try the others. But they did a wonderful job on this red. It is, I think, unusual and cool. If you're into that. Jameson, of course. You know, Jameson is just a classic, isn't it? You know, it's been around a long time. It's going to stay around because this shape works for so many people. And I just think Jameson is a home run, but I also like this new color, Mandarin Rooted. All right, guys, that is what I have for you today. Thank you so much for stopping by, spending a few minutes with me. I will try to do this more often. If you like these videos, please leave me some comments. Tell me, do you like Coffee with the Crazy Wig Lady? Do you like seeing makeup? Do you like, you know, chatting about different things other than just wigs? Please let me know. I love to hear from you. I love to interact with you. Thank you so much for your kindness to me. And I will see you in the next Coffee with the Crazy Wig Lady.